So for us, I mean, being an alcohol company, we are not big aggregators of data. We don't have a lot of first-party data because of the three-tier system, specifically in the U.S. We've been told very specifically to almost stay away from understanding some consumers because of the age barrier below 21. We don't want to target under the age of 21. But in the new world, you can really leverage programmatic and the ad stack overall. So beyond programmatic, but the usage of data to be smarter about your media. And programmatic is a fantastic learning engine that allows you to both apply data to see what's working and then actually feed that back into whether it's your creative process or even just target segmentation for the brands to create better DNA for whether it's improving our products or starting new ones or creating, mushrooming out new products. So for us, it's almost, we have some great brands with great campaigns, but in the old way of marketing being this ivory tower of generating great ideas and kind of screaming from the rooftop, that's not going to work going forward. You have to have a two-way conversation with consumers. You have to bring the brands closer to consumers. You have to ideate, you have to version, you have to sequence. All of those things don't exist without the data and without a kind of a very strong and immediate feedback loop.
And
so,
when you went programmatic, did you debate bringing the tools in-house and having your team do it, or you ended up partnering with your agency? But was there ever a consideration of doing it yourself versus the agency model?
I think, the question came up. We are not a big marketing department. We're 40 people in the U.S., which I think people are surprised about. We work with, obviously Wieden & Kennedy's been our creative agency on Heineken for a long time. We have Havas, Saatchi & Saatchi on Tecate, Droga works on Newcastle and Strongbow. So we have really strong creative agencies. MediaVest, it works across all brands. We have multiple event agencies, multiple PR agencies, and now we're bringing in the technology companies and actually the media platforms, the digital platforms, we're bringing them close to the brands as well. We essentially have an ecosystem, whether we want to believe that or not, where we expect agencies and the tech stack and the media platforms to really learn and work together to come up with great marketing and great campaigns. It's not in our DNA to the way we work just because of our cost structure. We're based in New York City, and we expect a lot of our agencies to be in our office on a regular basis to work together and partner together. I think it's just how we were built and how we were designed. It didn't seem to fit our culture. Our culture was to find the right technology, whether it's with our agency first, and if we think that, that's not perfect for us, we'll go out and help find that, but make sure that, and there was always that double check, will we bring in the ecosystem to make sure it's a right fit, right? So, when we partnered with TubeMogul, MediaVest was in the room when we made the decision.
Yeah.